Do you like to create these trendy and funny photos but don't know how to do it? It's actually very simple. First, I will show you how to create these photos using the Leonardo AI website. Then, we will use the CapCut app to turn the photos into Instagram trend reels. Search for Leonardo AI website. Click on this site. Click on the Get Started option. In this section, there are 4 options available for signing up on this website. You can register on this site using an Apple or Google or Microsoft account, or with an email. I register using a Google account. Click on the image creation. Apply the same settings that I apply. Please type the prompt text in this section. The prompt text is located in the video description. Click on the Generate. Download these photos. Click on this option to download this photo. Now we need to use the CapCut app to turn these photos into Instagram's trending reels. Click on the New Project. Select the photos you downloaded in the previous step and click on the Add option. Like me, set the duration of each photo to 1.5 seconds. Do this for all the photos. Click on the Delete option. Do this for all the photos. Like me, set the duration of each photo to 1.8 seconds. Do this for all the photos. Now it's time to add music to the video. Let's now see the outcome of the work.